English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Problem, slim, 2. Problem. Problem is a noun. A1 learners usually know problem. At A1, a problem refers to a difficult situation. Here are some examples. The problem is that she does not have time. He's having problems with his car. The two baby boys have serious health problems. Slim. Slim is an adjective. A1 learners usually know slim. At A1, a person who is slim is thin in an attractive way. Here are some examples. Her mother is tall and slim. Most of us would like a slim figure. She eats a lot but is still very slim. Two. To is an adverb. A1 learners usually know to. At A1, to means also, and more than necessary or more than allowed. Here are some examples. Her sister goes to Oxford. She plans to go to Oxford too. There's too much sugar in my tea. The chemistry exam was too hard for him. Now write some of your own sentences with problem, slim and to. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.